Resorts World Genting, a Paradise Hill resort.
At the peak of Mount Ulu Kalipahang. Theme parks, hotels, restaurant, entertainment and shopping, they have it all.
Let's unbox Resorts World Genting. Unbox.
Unbox. Unbox. Let's begin with a hidden gem in a 130 million year old rainforest, Resorts World Awana, an iconic 18-hole mountainous golf course resort located 3,100 feet above sea level in the cool highlands. Only 2 minutes drive away to Malaysian shopping paradise Genting Highlands Premium Outlet.
Now, let's check out their superior deluxe room.
Breathe in the cool breeze in this newly refurbished room.
Comfy double bed.
Can you hear the birds singing?
Yes.
Nested in a classic hexagon shape that lets you travel back in time.
Hello.
Okay.
Hi.
What is Genting Nature Adventures?
This is Resorts World Awana's latest attraction. Hear stories about the forest around Resorts World Genting.
Is it a guided tour?
Yep. Discover the different trails guided by a park ranger. We now have the option of Awana Trail and Clear Waterway with more hiking trails to be added. Aduh, lapar.
Yeah, is there anything we can eat around here?
Kosong. Awana Garden, your one-stop hot pot restaurant to remember. Situated in the resort with a huge patio menghadap golf course. Family besar? Get a private room. Group kecil? Indulge in this spacious area. Satisfy your hot pot cravings with the quarter pot with 4 different soups. I punya favorite? Collagen Essence, ideal for my skin. Choose the Awana Garden basket with meat and Awana Garden basket with seafood. Perfect combo for a hot pot experience in the Highlands. Siapa kata you can't swim in the Highlands? AYU Awana, home to poolside lounge. Unicorns come for free. To use.
Where's the party at? Music! AYU Awana is a new restaurant showcasing a unique smokehouse and grill menu, regional dishes, healthy delights, and an extensive cocktail list. Welcome to Malaysia's first tropical lifestyle restaurant. Try out the roast short ribs, jumbo prawn with smoked butter rice, the ubud, the clucker, and roast squid. Whether you're in search of art, music, nature, or wellness, look no further as AYU Awana has got you covered. AYU Awana is a weekend nourishment for your mind, body, and soul. How do we get to the peak of the mountain?
Bawa kita?
Let me rephrase. What's the best way to reach the peak?
Pergi Awana Sky Central, park your kereta at Genting Highlands Premium Outlet, naik cable car. PS, take the glass floor gondola. If you're not afraid of heights, want to fly on top of the rainforest, or just want to be trendy.
I'm definitely in on the trendy. Get your cable car tickets through Shopee, go to prepaid bill and tickets, and select event tickets under entertainment.
Search for Awana Skyway, select your desired cable car, check out and scan the QR code at the entrance, and you're good to go.
Bonus for choosing the glass floor gondola?
Life on the express lane.
Soak in the amazing view as the gondola brings you to the peak of the mountain. Green and lush forestry with a view of Kuala Lumpur at the bottom.
Best part of the glass floor gondola? The bird's eye view of Genting Skyworld's theme park as we approach our final station.
How long was the journey?
About 10 minutes.
Now the adventure lies in your hands. Should we do the Genting Skyworld's theme park or Skytropolis indoor theme park?
Pick your bet.